Hello my beautiful friends, welcome back to my Talindro home. Today I will be revamping my dining table. So here's my table, and you could see it has a lot of dents, paint, scratches. It's very damaged. But I really like this table because of its size, and it fits perfectly in my house. So here you could see it outside and you could see the damage. So this is my table, guys. Let's work on it. We're gonna need sanding paper. I got this one from Walmart. So the sandpaper comes in one that is 100, a 220, and a 150. The lower the number, the more abrasive it is. So I decided to start with the 100 one. Here I am sanding my table. This takes time, guys. Be patient. Since my table has a lot of deep dents, I had to use an 80 instead of the 100. It was more abrasive, and it was easier to remove as many dents as possible. So here's my table after I sanded it with the 80, and then I went over with the 100. And then I went with the 150, and then finally with the 220, but I forgot to record that. And I sanded the legs a little bit because I'm gonna chalk paint those. So here's my table, and it still has dents and you can see them, but I'm happy with it. It works for us. And this is at night, so I decided to do this inside of my house. Please open your windows and your doors. The smell is very strong. So I need a little rag. This one's from Dollar Tree, and I cut it in half. Here I'm opening the gel stain, and I'm showing you guys how it looks. Wear gloves, guys, or your hands are gonna be stained. Here's the rag again, not cut in half. So here I am staining the table. I love the color. I did one coat of the stain. That was enough for us. Like I'm telling you guys, I'm not an expert. I don't know how to do this. I just needed to change my table. I needed to revamp it, so that's what I did. And I'm very happy with the results. So here I am staining my table. And here it is. Look at that beautiful color. We love it. In the can, the directions said that it had to dry for 2 hours. So while I waited, I decided to clean the legs. Like I told you, I sanded them a little bit because I'm a chalk painted. So here's the chalk paint that I use. It's called Mineral. So I did 2 coats of the chalk paint. So I did 3 coats of the clear top. I only recorded the first one, but I did 3. And here's my new table. I love it. It's a big improvement, if you ask me. So yeah guys, that's my new table. Just wanted to share it with you guys. You don't always have to buy brand new furniture. If you could paint it, change it, do it. Save money. Well, thank you for watching this video. I hope you guys liked it. I'll see you next time. God bless you. Bye bye.